Stately elegance radiates from this conveniently situated former model home, complete with a double-car garage and a charming covered porch. Stepping beyond the front door, you're invited into a tranquil entertaining space with views of the yard through large windows. The living room boasts lovely hardwood floors that flow into an equally stylish and inviting dining room. Here, generous proportions and a soft neutral paint palette set the tone for sophisticated entertaining. Updated to perfection, the kitchen shines with a modern aesthetic. You'll love the tall cabinets, stainless appliances, and ample counters. A sunny breakfast area is bathed in natural light and offers easy escape to the deck, making barbecuing a breeze. Adjoining is a comfortable family room where you can keep things warm in the winter with the gas fireplace. In the summer, the deck and yard are easily within reach. The peaceful master bedroom too is enhanced by a cozy fireplace. It also features a walk-in closet, oversized proportions, a wall of windows, and a wonderful 5-piece ensuite with a glass-enclosed shower and large vanity. An additional 3 bedrooms and a loft complete this outstanding residence.